Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to fix if your Spotify Wrapped isn't showing up or isn't working. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can fix the problem yourself. This works both the same on Android and iPhone, so you don't have to worry what kind of phone you have. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. Let's say you have entered Spotify and there isn't a Spotify Wrapped rating for you. Before I recorded this video, there was no Spotify Wrapped. So I'm going to show you a few tricks that you can do to fix this problem for yourself and that you can finally see Spotify Wrapped. So yeah guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure this Spotify app is updated to the latest version. So go to the App Store and search for Spotify and make sure there isn't an update button and that you have the latest version of this application. After doing that guys and restarting the application, if you came back to Spotify and still don't have the Wrapped, then there are a couple of more options that you can try. The next thing guys you can do is go ahead and you want to just restart your phone. Works for me as well. I just restarted my phone and then Spotify app has restarted for me and Spotify Wrapped has appeared for me because restarting my phone just reset the app and enabled it to appear. But guys, even if you have tried both of these options, there is one final option that you can try. You can go ahead guys and leave the application. If you're on Android, just hold the app and go into app info. If you're on iPhone, you will have an option to do this the same, just it will be named a little differently. Go to your settings. You want to go storage and cache and go ahead and click these two buttons. You want to clear your cache and clear your storage. This will enable you to log into your Spotify app again, and now Spotify Wrapped should be appearing for you after you have cleared your storage and cache. If you're on iPhone, this will be called offloading the app, so go ahead and click on that. So yeah, guys, after doing that, just go back and restart the application and then Spotify Wrapped will appear for you. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.